In this episode, we're going to explore beyond the pages of The Minister's Black Veil by Nathaniel Hawthorne. This short story introduces Revered Mr. Hopper, a gentle and effective Puritan clergyman in Milford, who suddenly appears one Sunday wearing a black veil covering his face from forehead down. He offers no explanations, and the veil remains fixed for the rest of his life. The veil instantly changes his relationship with his congregation, creating dread suspicions and isolation. Even his fiancée, Elizabeth, cannot persuade him to remove it, and eventually leaves him. The veil make him a more powerful and the picture as people he is hiding their own secret sins. On his deathbed, Hopper refuses to lift the veil, declaring that it is a symbol of universal secret sin and that he sees a veil on every face in the room. So, my analysis is Hawthorne's story is a prime example of dark romanticism and a profound exploitation of sin, guilt, and the nature of human communion. The black veil is a powerful symbol, an ambiguous emblem of both Hopper's and own secret, and more broadly, the way all people hide their darker tribe selves from the world. Hopper's actions isolated him, yet ironically, it makes him the most effective preacher because he forces his parishioners to confront their own hidden guilt.